Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to revive your teammate in REPO. Firstly, after a player dies, only the robotic head remains on the map. Search for it and locate it. Without it, revival is impossible. Pick the head up and then head toward a designated extraction point. You can't just drop it anywhere, only certain areas allow revives. Each extraction point requires you to deposit valuables, like the game's currency. Gather enough valuables and contribute them to the quota at the extraction point. Once the quota is met, the extraction station's shutter will close. Wait for it to open again. When it does, your teammate will be respawned and alive, and congratulations, your squad is back in action. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.